welcome to Top Cat. Today, Martin is caught red-handed snooping in the fridge. When confronted, he claims he's simply just cleaning. Meanwhile, one of the foster kittens goes undercover as a tucko. It's not stealthy, it can barely move.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
Mr. Meowser suits up for a job interview. No qualifications whatsoever. And yet again, Star rides in a box. And elsewhere, the crew decided it's best to place Wanda behind bars. No trial, no explanation, just silliness and shame.
Shame.
And finally, as the house winds down after a long day of doing nothing, we find Walter, silent and absolutely baffled. He has no idea what's going on, but neither do we. The Top Cats think you should subscribe for daily chaos.